Struggling to make your love marriage a reality? You're not alone. Many couples face obstacles and challenges on their journey to a love marriage, but don't lose hope. Today, I'm sharing a powerful and effective Wazifa that has helped many couples get there happily ever after. This Wazifa is a spiritual practice that can bring about positive changes in your life. Stay with me till the end for step-by-step guidance and inspiration to make your dream come true. This Wazifa requires dedication and faith, but the results can be truly miraculous. First, let's make our intentions clear. Having a clear and pure intention is the foundation of any spiritual practice. Start with a pure heart and a clear intention for a halal love marriage. This means your intention should be sincere and in accordance with Islamic principles. Perform ablution or wudu to ensure physical and spiritual cleanliness. Ablution is a way to purify yourself before engaging in any form of worship. This sets the stage for your sincere supplication to Allah. A clean body and a clean heart are essential for effective prayer. Now let's get into the Wazifa. This specific Wazifa is designed to help you achieve success in your love marriage. After the Isha prayer, find a quiet place to sit. It's important to be in a peaceful environment where you can focus without distractions. Start by reciting Durood Sharif 11 times. This is a way to send blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This invokes blessings upon the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and prepares your heart for the Wazifa. It's a way to start your prayer with a positive and blessed note. Next, recite Ya Wadudu YWDW 1001 times. This name of Allah means the most loving and is a powerful invocation for love and compassion. While reciting, imagine a peaceful, loving marriage. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help manifest your desires. Connect deeply with this vision and let it fill your heart with hope and faith. Believe that your prayers are being heard and that your dream is within reach. When you're done, end with Durood Sharif 11 more times. This closes your prayer with blessings and gratitude. Now raise your hands in prayer and make dua with faith. Dua is a personal supplication to Allah, asking for His help and guidance. Ask Allah sincerely for ease and blessings in your love marriage. Speak from your heart and express your deepest desires. Pour your heart out and trust that He is listening. Allah is always there to listen to our prayers and provide us with what is best for us. Repeat this Wazifa consistently for 11 days without skipping. Consistency shows your dedication and commitment to your goal. Consistency is key, so make sure to stick to the routine. Missing a day can disrupt the spiritual flow and effectiveness of the Wazifa. Finally, be patient and trust in Allah's timing. Sometimes the answer to our prayers takes time to manifest. Keep your faith strong and maintain good character throughout. Your actions and behavior should reflect your sincere intentions. Remember, Allah has a plan for each of us and His timing is always perfect. Trust that everything will happen at the right time. Remember, Allah loves those who turn to Him for help. He is always there to support and guide us. Perform this Wazifa with sincerity and watch miracles unfold in your life. Your faith and dedication can bring about amazing changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Let's spread love and positivity together. Share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and may Allah grant you a blessed and loving marriage. Your happiness and success are in our prayers. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. May peace and blessings be upon you.